Hey, what's up everyone, it's Untitled Chapter, aka the OnePlus guy, back again with a new video. In today's video, I want to talk about the high-res feature on your OnePlus 9 Pro. Alright guys, so let's get down to it real quick. So, in this video, I want to talk about how to use this mode, when to use it, when not to use it, and I'll give you guys some sample photos at the end. Now, quick channel update. I know some people have said, it's quality over quantity, but right now, guys, I've been doing this for about 3 years, and my budget it's pretty low. And for my revenue with YouTube, if I don't make consistent videos, or maybe I have more hours at work and I don't have time to make quality videos, and to get better, you have to gain new skill sets. So if you don't have the time and resources, it's very, very difficult. I'm just going to try and do the best I can. This is my budget setup. I need to up my budget, and with the YouTube algorithm, that's what I'm working against. So how to get the high res mode on your OnePlus 9 Pro. I believe this was available on the OnePlus 8T. It might be available on the OnePlus 9 as well. So I want you guys to go ahead and open up the camera app like so. And there's these 3 lines up on top. Click it. And there's a high res feature. I want you guys to tap on this icon where it's not slashed. So now you have the high res mode. And you might notice right off the bat, you can only use the wide angle camera and the main camera. And when you take photos with this mode, you're going to get a higher resolution. You're going to get the full, 48 megapixel on the main sensor, and you're going to get the full 50 megapixel on the wide angle lens, I believe. So the resolution should be around, 8,000 versus 6,000, somewhere around those lines. And you're not going to lose, much detail when cropping in. So when should you use it? You should use it when you have a lot of light. It's not very good in low light conditions, or if you're taking a photo of a sunset, maybe anytime you want more HDR, you're going to have to disable the high res feature. This is good in environments when there's a lot of light, and in situations in which you just want to capture more detail. So that's my advice, and I've taken many photos with this feature turned on, and I want to show you guys how exactly. Just keep in mind, these photos are not edited. So I'm going to post these, and I'm going to upload this video in 4K so you guys can go ahead and see for yourselves. Well, actually, maybe I'll try and do it in 8K. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys enjoyed, my videos, please subscribe and please hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me out. I do have some selfie photos I'd like to share with you guys as well, and I'll give you guys some of my take on using the selfie camera. So I hope you guys enjoy the sample photos. Take care. Peace.